How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Lunar Trading. In this video, I'll be going over my levels and plan for SPY next week. So let's jump into it. SPY was down 1.34% today. We saw price finally break underneath this trend line that we've been respecting for quite some time now. We could begin to see the pullback that I've been talking about that was coming for the past couple weeks now, since price was looking very overextended. But let's jump into levels to be watching. First, I'll be keeping an eye on the support zone from 418.5 to 415.5, and then the second support zone from 408 to 406.75. And I'll be watching this trend line probably as an area of resistance now, actually, since we have broken underneath it. I'll also be watching this top trend line as an area of resistance, since that's got respected a couple different times on the daily time frame. And resistance zones to be watching is first this one from 434 to 436, and the second zone from 446 to 449. But we might not see these zones for a while. I think we might see these support zones before we see the resistance levels. But my plan going into next week is I'm going to watch to see if price comes down into this first support zone. I honestly am not super confident in it. We might just blow right past it, but we might be able to catch a decent scalp opportunity if it presents itself. But why I want to play cautiously is, one, the market's overextended, and two, there's this gap right here. So price may want to fill that before we see a solid bounce. So I may look to grab calls for a second time. If we can't get something around this zone, I may grab calls after this gap gets filled. I'll be looking to grab puts if price can push up and retest this trend line that was previously support. A lot of times you'll see a push up and then a rejection and then a further move down. So we could see that happen here as well. I'm thinking we could see a pretty fast drop here. These are my main ideas for next week. I hope everyone did well on their trading this week. I wasn't too happy with how this week went. I did miss a couple different opportunities, and I did take some that I wish I didn't, but this is a learning process, and I'm just going to continue to follow my plan and strategy going forward. But I hope that you guys have a great weekend. If you want to join my Discord, link in the description down below. Also, subscribe to the channel if you like these short and sweet technical videos. I try to do them daily. But I hope everybody has a good rest of your day. Take care.